This conference will now be recorded.
Before going to class, I want to know about Vivek. I think you're saying some questions will be there in the future level, right? Can you please discuss now?
Uh, no, it's not about the features. Just I want to understand about the particular option of MT, multi-threading option.
Okay, multi-threading feature.
Yeah.
Okay. I think everybody is installed Pega software successfully on the system, right? Nikita, Shobha, Sujana, Vivek, and others who are not joined. Please, you are watching your video, right? You done right? Everyone, please. I'm just sending messages to others. Done or not? Tell me. Hello. No answer from everyone. You
Yeah,
installed
yes, sir.
software or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Done, right?
installed.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You installed successfully. You are able to see that three shortcuts on the desktop, right? Shobha, you're done, right? Sujana, Shobha also
I'm yet
I
to
will
do
do it
it,
today, sir.
Madhav.
to do it. Okay. Do it, Sujana. At least today and the weekend we have time also. Please do it. And
Yeah, yeah,
anything else,
I'll
if you're facing issue also, you can WhatsApp, not a problem. Shobha, what about you?
sure.
Yes, sir. I will also do it today.
Okay. See, I also installed successful in a Pegasoft, and okay, now I think yesterday I asked Vivek also some questions, sir, how we can set up server, how we can set up database. We don't want again set up a separately software, separately database. No need to install separately. No need to do the any configuration. Everything is so. If you install Pega, done. Everything is very simple. So the product and everything will be server will be there. You want proof also, right? Very well. What you did, location, okay, in a location where you P or PC personalization, where you given to install software, the target folder, please go there and see the PRPC personalization will be there. In that Tomcat progress equal, both softwares also done that. Am I correct? You're seeing right? Now, I don't want open through here. Please mute. So, yeah, Vivek, please mute. Yeah, thank you. So, there are three shortcuts will be there in the desktop to start your application easy process. One is startup, one is shutdown, one is login. What do you mean three applications? So your application, as of now, your application will be there inside server. What server? Internal server. Internal server means Tomcat server. Your application information will be stored inside internal database. What database? Progress equal. That also in build only. So if you want to launch Pega application, first your server should be run it. Your server should be running only. Otherwise, how we can the application will log in? It's not possible. So how we can start the server? That is Tomcat server or Pega internal server or inbuilt server. The shortcut will be there. Okay. Pega platform 8.6. So 08.0806.00. So startup, right click and open that. Please, who installed? Nikita and Vivek, please. select startup option. So this is loading all configuration files. What kind of rule configuration files? Your server started inside the server. As of now, your application, Pega application will be there. That application is to start the application. It is loading all the rule configuration files. Now maybe you won't understand. At least if you complete 70 percentage course, then you will understand what kind of rules will be loading here. Already you know rule names also, right? There are types of rules. See that class, right? You know types of rules, total 8 and advanced, right? Class rule thing will be there, right? See that. Class rule, rule set rule, property rule, decision rule, declarative rule, activity rule, event-based rule, process rule. They're the main base core rules will be there inside the Pega product, and advanced rules, reports, agent integrations, case type, data type, and inbuilt tools, debugging tools, and performance tools. They're the concepts in the Pega tool. Okay. If anybody asks you, quickly how to get the answer, right? So the concepts will be there. Using of these rules, using of these concepts, I can do everything. Whatever you are expecting, I can reach. Client expectations, I can reach by using of these rules. Whatever they have requirement expectations. Still is loading. The first time will take a bit late. Okay. From second onwards, it won't take much time because it should be ready. Catch will be there in the system. The first time it will be initializing, right? It will take some time, but second time onwards it will be compared to the first time bit fast only, because the already all the configuration will be loaded. It will be available in the cache. So from that it will be quickly, it will load all the things. Once how I know that server is ready or not, I'll show the message will come here. Server startup with milliseconds. If the message is ready, means your server is ready, then you can log in the application. You can log in the application. So if you want, you can start it also. Just select login. Now the server is ready, then you can select it. Even without ready also you can log in. You can select login shortcut also. When it will be ready, then you will get the login page. Okay, I'm just showing you that also. I'll show the message, then only you can open it. Just select enter when it will be hold. Yeah. So just enter 1 or 2 times. Starting task percent metric task. So all are our 8.x version, 8.6, 8.6 version only. It is running mode. It is a running mode. See agent rule. Agent rule will be there. Pega rules. 8.x version. Ah, why is taking time? Yeah. Reindex. Okay, so anyone your server is ready? Started? See the last, there is server startup in a millisecond, one message will be there. Nikita and Vivek, did you see that this message in your system? Just open this one. Meanwhile, please, now I want to open the Pega application. Please select the shortcut. So now it's loading. Oh, I think it is already crossed here. So I got the login page, mean that this message is over, gone. We'll see that where it will be the message. Still now we are waiting that. Server startup milliseconds. Are you able to see? Server startup milliseconds. Yes, we missed. Where? We saw that. Bit. See that. Server startup millisecond means when you got this message means the server is ready. Right? So when we got this message means the server is ready. When the server is ready, then you can open Pega login shortcut. Now it will open Pega application using a browser. So I'm going to using this. I'm going to use Mozilla. Enter. Now question. Now you got it. What I have done in the real-time level, I can install an administrator level for everybody. I can share the URL. They can log in. No need to install in their machines. Vivek, now clear? Yesterday you asked me a question. Okay. I will install only one system in administrator. So how they can use all the developers? I can share this URL to everybody. Then they can hit this URL by using a browser and log in. Now they will log in with their credential. They can
Madhav,
start the work.
Madhav, interrupting, that will not work.
Huh?
That will not work.
Huh?
You see in the URL itself, it is written localhost. Localhost means your personal machine.
Boss,
In that,
what?
in that you have to provide the IP address of that particular machine as
So,
a administrator server.
Vivek, sir, what sir are you talking? What I'm saying, what you're saying, sir? It means that if we give the local host, then how it will work is my application, right? We have to give IP address only. I'm telling you the real-time level, they can give IP address only. How they can give local host, sir? That you know,
Yeah,
right?
that's what my question was actually. I was
I'm
saying
telling
about
you know,
the
right?
actual.
How they can local host, you should give the IP address only. That is, they will share the with the IP address, HTTP dot and the system IP address. Not only everybody, any even just I have one question. I have to connect any remote mission. Before actual nowadays, any desk ID and Ultra will be there. Before that, if you want share the through the client work, how we can log in using of IP address only, I can open it. The
Yeah,
key is required. The key is required, right?
that's what my question was. Actually, I was asking you about the infrastructure what we have to take for this particular application to be installed till time. My question is remains same. How you will calculate the compute of that particular server in which you are installing this particular application?
Just that I what for that IP for the system will be what is the unique ID IP address only, right?
Yeah,
Okay, that using this one we can get it. Okay, so in the real time level, using of they will install in their machine. They can provide this URL. Okay, how they can provide this URL by using of HTTP localhost means it is local machine. If I'm working here, so if I can share it, even you can log in it also by using if you share my IP address here in the system IP address and local host, then they can log in it. Okay, then they will create account for you, username and password. Okay, how you can create this, we'll talk it. But as default, as of now, you don't have any credentials in the Pega system. Okay, now how we can go inside the Pega tool? Okay, they given that for the personal edition, the default credentials, okay, those are administrator @pega.com, please note it, and password is install, 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 all are the small letters. Okay, so the default credentials. Then question, we already discussed why they given only administrator. So there is who are participating in the Pega application, instead of calling the users, we'll call them as a operator. Okay, so now administrator is an operator. You are the operator. I am the operator. So operators need to work inside the Pega application. Operators need account. So how, as of a default, why you should go for in the Pega project? We have different roles are there, right? Different operator roles. Admin, manager, BA, developer, lead, administrator, tester. Why they given only administrator? Because in your organization, every industry will have the full rights. Who have the full rights? Administrator only. Remaining people, based on the role, they have some limited access. They will do the some security policy. They will restrict to some of the options, but administrator will have the full rights. So I want to work in the all the features in the personal edition. Please, they given use your administrator @pega.com. So this is the, if you log in with the default credential, password is install, install, install. Click login. Okay. Once you log in that, now we are going to inside. Pega tool will support to open any browser here. This is not only particulars. I'm just using Mozilla. You can use Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, anything you can open it. Whatever you're comfortable, you can use it. And once you log in, you get the login page and you provide the administrator credentials. But in that Pega tool, in the Pega project level, we have number of roles are there. Every role will have different responsibilities, not a common responsibilities, right? So all the different role purpose need to work in the Pega platform level. They're given only common space, common work area, or every role on the Pega platform, they will provide a different work area. Definitely, you know that if you give the common work area, what will happen? There are a lot of issues will be there. Correct, lot of issues will be there. So what I have to do based on the role, they provided separate work area, separate room on the Pega platform. So it is taking time. First time is loading all the come for second time it won't take much time. It once you give the credential, it will immediately will come. So we are the developers. We want a separate area. Admin is a separate area because different responsibilities. And manager and BA and user different responsibilities. So we want different space, not common area. So what are the areas they given by default Pega product? So you're able to log in, came to in successful inside that. Nikita, Vivek, you came this place. Hello,
Yes, the front screen is visible.
visible, right? Okay, you got it.
Yeah,
Dev Studio, right? Dev Studio. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Now, as we have the roles, right? We are the developers. Developers, what they will do? They will construct application. For us, they given separate work here. That area is we can call Dev Studio. Dev means developer studio or developer portal or developer workspace. You can call any name or designer studio. Then what about others? We'll talk it. I'll show you that. Everything I can show you that one by one. Administrators for them is different again. If we click, this is our developer portal. So here where we can construct Pega is given inbuilt this place we can call in Pega terminology portal. Is a portal. Portal is nothing but is a one page. Is page, right? One page. Generally, if you want go for ICICI Bank application, how you open that? You can click www.iccs.com, HDFC, any bank or any instance application. You can take an Gmail. The main page we can call portal. So where you're going to entering inside the application, every role will have separate portal will be there. Because how many portals will be available for every application, how many actors are there, how many roles are there for every role purpose, because every role will have the different responsibility. I need to maintain the security also. Then for that they will provide separate area that is called portal. Portal is nothing but a screen only, big screen. So the same thing, the screen will actually big screen. It's contain four parts. It's a big screen. Is a complex to design that. I want when I want to design any time, should design easy way, not complex way. What I can do, I can divide the parts. It will be everywhere, not only Pega. Generally, any IT, any project level, any software level, we want to do everything is easy process. I can divide the parts. That parts is header part and left side part, and this is where we can design. It's called design part and body part, and bottom toolbar part, and if there any right side part. This is what are the options I want make it. We can divide the parts. Now developer portal will have the header, body, and left and toolbar or bottom. In that, what are the options will be there? We can see one by one in our work area. That is called developer portal. Okay. The first one I want to know. This is you are new to my project. I want to know that what version they're using in our current system. We should know. How we can know that? How we can know that? Very simple. In the toolbar, in the Dev Studio, in the bottom, on the toolbar right side corner, Pega is there, right? Is a Pega. If you click on the Pega, it will be highlight the current product information here. That is called Pega Infinitive. That is Pega Platform 8.6.0. So by seeing this, I can confirm what is the version you are using for your application. That is the first thing. Okay. I'm the new person. An interpreter will ask you, sir, what version, how we can find out? So just say that Dev Studio in the corner, developer portal in the corner, there's a Pega option is there. If you click that, I can see the Pega tool information. Right now we are using installed 8.6.0 version over. Next, we are using 8.6.0. Close this. Then we'll go first to header part. Pega logo is horse. Or Pega logo is like it should be like horse. We have that horsepower, so that's why they given full power Pega tool. So what power is like that energy level. Then after that, there is Dev Studio. We are seeing that if you see the down arrow mark will be there. Okay. App Studio, Admin Studio, Production Studio. Please Vivek, please mute Vivek. So we have Dev Studio. So this is developers will be there, but in our project, you are not only will be here, right? There are other roles also there. Administrator, manager, portal, BA, business analyst people, lead system architect, and testers. These are the roles will be there. Now entered newly, their focusing is RPA, right? RPA, robot automation process, and artificial intelligence, AI, artificial intelligence also, and data analyst also. The newly now they are introducing different portfolios. Okay. Now Dev Studio, this is our portal, our area. This in the Pega platform, this is our area. What about App Studio? Select that one. Other roles, BA, managers, and lead system architect also they will work here. If you want to show POC application, proof of concept, when I'm going to getting application, I given some Pega tool presentation to client. Client is asking, I'm okay with your presentation. Can you please show me some demo class? Then I'm okay with the demo class. I can give you my business to you. What I can do that? How we can do that? I want to implement quickly your application. That's a demo application. Quick demo application. Till now I'm telling that without using of coding. Still we are saying that using of rules. Now again now I'm going to give one statement. Without creating any rule, without using any rule, by you, I'm telling that Pega will create the backend. I'm just telling by you. Even I can develop application by using a Pega tool, but high level application, not full advanced development. High level development application only I can show them. I can design it by using of App Studio, because managers don't know technical things. BE also don't know. LSA is architect person. He knows everything technically. He's expert in the Pega architect level, Pega product level. So I want to show some immediately a quick application. So those people will create in this area. They can show. So in this area will be who will be working here? BA managers. I want to create any quick application to show the for providing of demo application to client. I want to present quick within a 3 days, 4 days, whatever. Or based on the requirement, I can decide that how many days is required, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, whatever. So generally they will give small requirement, they won't give the complex. This is simple like a demo application, right? They will give the very simple application only. So we can finish within a max 2 to 3 days we can finish it, and we can give the fourth day demo class to the demo to the client will accept, then they will start to here to come to Pega's side. Immediately they won't give the requirement, they will start, okay, I'm fine that, then we'll start the process. There will be process will be there one by one, step by step you have to do that. That is not management level, that's not required for you. This app studio who will use by BA managers and lead system architect people. When I want to create quick application, I can go for app studio. What is difference between app studio, dev studio, intro point of questions? What are the studios are there in the Pega platform? You have to say that. Now, what is difference between app studio, developer studio? Dev studio will be used by the developers, CSA, CSSA, LSA people, and App Studio will be used by BA and managers and lead system architect also. Then Dev Studio will be when I'm going to designing application, more advanced application by using of business rules. But App Studio, without creating of any rule, I can develop your application quickly as high level application, that is will be used with the but will be created by the BA managers and your lead system architect people. That is App Studio. What is that? We'll talk to you later. Wait. Okay, I'm just telling the one by one. Next, Admin Studio. What is Admin Studio? Server maintenance and deployment and security, right? Server maintenance, security, either any installation part also, everything will be taken care by the administrator. I need to give separate work area on Pega platform. We all are in the same platform, Pega only, but on the Pega platform, they given separate work areas based on the role. Administrator role will be work in this admin studio. As of now, you will log in only one user, that is administrator role. Operator ID is running some of the agents. I think you know what are the agents. So backend server side, they are running some of the batch process. That is, they give the dashboard here. Okay, that is dashboard here. Status is running this version. All the things will be, I can see the server side, whatever I want to do that. Configuration, backend operation by its admin studio portal, I can do that. What about production studio? This is not for you actually. This is AI, artificial intelligence, and data analyst, those people. So if we want to know those things here, first we have to know base tool. The base tool is nothing but Pega PRPC. If you know that, then automatically on top of that they build different portfolios. That is the base portfolio. On top of that, they build Pega RPA, robot process automation, and data analyst, artificial intelligence. They're given and workflow, intelligent automation tool, different tools. Those all like if you know base tool within a maximum 3-4 days we can learn it. It's not issue on that, because already build ground floor. What is the ground floor here? The ground floor is the Pega platform. If you know the ground floor strong and you know everything, then first floor, second floor, third floor, you know the same thing, right? So first you have to know. It's not a, so when I want to construct a house, it will take some time for the ground floor, and but when again first floor, second floor, will quickly we can construct. Why? Because the ground floor is the main important. They will start from the all the things, pillars, everything, right? That's why. So the same thing, when you know the Pega PRPs, remaining is very easy. Here is complete. We don't have as of now anything in the personal edition. That will see the letter now. It's not required for you also. This is different portfolio. Okay. Now we have to go for Dev Studio first. Dev Studio, what are the studio? As we film studio, we have all the properties to make the film like that. Designer studio or developer studio, we have all the properties will be there. What are the properties? All the rules are there to develop an application. What are the options will be there? Now I'm going to tell you. In the header part, you already saw that logo and this one. Then before going to go for this is next one, application menu. What is the current application? Pega platform. If you want to open the current application, if you want to create a new application, if you want to switch to one application to another application, if you want to switch to one module to another module within the application. Okay. And what about channels? If you want to provide any marketing for your application, if you want to provide style makeup for your application, that's called skin concept here. Skin is nothing but makeup. We'll discuss later. Okay. So these all the options are available under application menu. When you want to create new application, when you want to open existing application, I can use application menu. Okay, what is next option? Configure. Now only I told you that server configure is contain all landing pages. I told you that inside the Pega tool, there are number of inbuilt tools are there. Not only debugging tools, performance mains, we saw that, but there are other inbuilt tools also available to handle your application, to handle all the rules, to check performance wide for each layer level. And if you want to do any configuration, using of configure is nothing but configuration shortcut. Okay, they given configuration of the all the rules for your application, all the tools, everything is available according to category level. All the things under the configuration level, everything will be the user interface, integrations, reports feature, these property rules, case management, application configurations. What are the we can do configuration? We'll talk to you later. These all application configuration things I want to do. We can go for using of configuration option. Next one is launch. Now we are the developer portal. I want to move to another portal from Dev Studio to another portal, that is customer portals or user portals. We have manager portal already. Is a manager portal. I can launch manager portal. Here we can see only few portals only, but I can here launch manager portal. But why is not able to see the case manager portal here? Because they're the main actually to develop application. That's why they given the header level. So this launch levels managers, we know, just as to assign the work and monitoring of the your application status. So that's why they kept it here. Even user portal also will be there here only. Right? Who will use finally your application? Users. But as of now, we're not able to see user portal. I'll tell you that. I'll show that. Work user will be there. Now create. So how you're developing application here using of rules. I already told that I have already inbuilt rules are there in the Pega tool. I can use those rules to develop application. Then for example, for suppose what you are expecting, the tool is not available inside the Pega tool. Then what you will do? You'll write the code? No, 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 no. That is the case. I already told that 0% code. Please, my statement the same. No, I'm not changing that. Okay, na 0% coding only. I'm not changing the statement. You can go for 1%. You can go for 2%, 10%, 0%. When what you are expecting rule is not available, then Pega is given an option for you, sir. You can create your own customization rule according to for your requirement level. Don't worry. Without writing of code, if what you expect is not there from Pega tool, so you can create your own customization rules for your application requirements. How we can create it? Under create menu, we have categories. In each category, we have the rules. I think yesterday we discussed about base rules and advanced rules. Under sysadmin category, we have class rule and rule set rule. And technical category, we have activity rule. And user interface category, all UI rules. Whatever you want, you can create it. And reports category, report rules. Security category, security rules. Process category, process flow rule. And integration things, connector service integration rules. Decision rule category, decision category, decision rules and declared rules. Data model, property rules and data manipulation. And application definition means application rules. So according to category level, they kept all the rules. So based on the requirements, which rule is required, please select the particular category and create the rule. That is about create menu. So create menu is purpose to create your own business rules on the Pega platform for your application purpose. Search for if you want such any existing rule, you can provide the something name and search it. Click the search name. We can get it automatically. The existing rules here. There is one more thing. Right mark will be there, blue color. What is that? I told you inside the Pega product. There is one more is to save your backup code, backup rules, and to provide security for application rules. In the Pega tool, there is one of the industry also. We have that version control system that is there inside the Pega product. When I select here, version control is a version control system. Is there any rules or need checked in? As of now, no checked out. So what do you mean that until checkout we're not able to do any changes? Once you check out, you know what do you mean check in, check out? Generally people will say that in the airport level, and once you check in, no modifications. Until checkout we can do whatever you want modifications. Once you come out, once you go for check-in inside the version control, no access for you. If you want to do any access, you come out, do the checkout, do the changes, do the again check-in. That is meaning of the check-in, checkout. We have even airport also that option. The next one, question mark. You're always now depending, sir, please send me documents. In future, I'm just telling you, you don't no need depend any other person. Pega tool always saying that please depend on me only. Don't depend any other persons. In the real time also, if you are any facing issues, please ask me. I can help you. How? There's a Pega platform help option will be that's called documents. Whatever you want information, I can get it all the information here. Okay, I can get it all the information here. Check it. This is called Pegapedia. Again, check it. Is Pegapedia right? I can came directly in the Pega help, right? This is called Pega platform help means select it. Pegapedia only. Whatever information is required, go and check it. Particular information, I want some activity rule information. You enter. I want activity rule. Just enter it. All the information I can get it to activate rules. Whatever you want, or case type, reports, whatever you want. Everything I can get all the information here. We don't want to depend on the future also for everyone. Okay. So very simple. Come here in the question mark and select Pega platform help. You can get all the information. Even Pega community. Again, directed is opening Pega community. So next, sorry. So any information is required, we can get it from the Pega help Pega community. I want to know what is new in the latest version compared to previous versions. What is new in the breaking news in the Pega platform? Come and check it here. These are my breaking news in the current version we released is the features. I want to know that. And application guides. Open that. What do you mean the application guides? How we can design. I want to know. Checklist mean when you are designing application, when you're designing application and see if you want to construct the house, we need get the some proper plan, right, by the engineers. Am I correct? Then we'll follow why you should follow the engineer plan according to your requirement. You have the space. This is my requirement. I want to know. I should come everything for my comfortable everything, right? Should be happy. Then good apply your construction quality is good and automatically house also will be good. Look and feel everything. When you follow the proper construction, then only it will be good. Already we discussed. That's application guide creation. Open that. So I can see that security checklist. There's Agile Studio integration. What do you mean that? Have you heard any time about Jira? Jira, one of the tool will be there. It is using by the nowadays all the people.
Yes,
To
Madhav.
how? Yeah, Jira. Jira is a project management tool. And before now everywhere where they are doing repeating work, bore work, we're spending a lot of time. I want to save the time. I want to do the automation. So they are thinking catching all the areas. So time is very important, valuable. If you want previous days, they will assign the work using of email. So I'm the manager. I'm going to sending the email to my team members. Please do this one. But now it is not required. There is one of the tool will be there, Jira tool, and industry there is Agile Studio also. Okay, there are Agile Studio one separate tool will be there to handle the your project management activities and watching your status, all the task status, everything deadline, everything will be there, goal and deadline also for all the task purpose. Your team members you can assign it. Usually when the manager will be assigned, everybody will have access the tool again. Based on the role they given that. So manager will be assigned, then when daily will open that, they can see that in his work list, in his work list nothing but is one of the is a hand it is storing of all the list of the assignments. So that he can see that what are the today assignments I have to do that. No need to send email everything, but when you assign that automatically email will be triggered to your client email. Okay, that it will do that. So that is they're using now. So industry using. So who are not working people, please they will ask you a question also how you are getting work from the lead. Don't tell that I'm getting them through the email. Okay, those days is gone now. So I'm getting my manager will be assigning the assignment task to using of Jira tool. I'm getting that. Okay, and I will open the Jira tool. There I can see my task. Then I can finish my task. That is why you have to give the explanation about how we are getting the work from your lead. That is code. There is one more tool is Pega. So Jira is third-party tool. It's not related to Pega, but Agile Studio is defined by the Pega system. We have our own project management tool. So Pega is involving every area. I don't want other people. You can go for our own. Again, if you depend any others, you know what will happen, right? Very difficult. So if I have my own everything, it should be fine for me. I can give the best for you to everyone. So I have Agile Studio also integration, but this is it won't be there inside personal edition. It will be even we don't have rights to connect this studio also. This is licensed product. Okay, now you just think it. Otherwise, you get say that in the when you go for intro point of view, we are using Jira tool to handle and project management activities. Jira tool just say that don't say Agile Studio because you are the coming to newly Pega. So how will open the Agile Studio also you don't know. But as Jira tool, if you go and check it in the Google also it is available. Okay, now that is one thing. And guidelines, please open and see that what are the things and application security next also. Okay. Next, one second. This is Dev Studio symbol. This is Dev Studio symbol will be there. This is about header options. This is the header options. What about bottom side toolbar? If you see that, I think you know all tools are there. What are the tools? Clipboard. Don't forget. We discuss about debugging tools, tracer, clipboard, live UI, and performance analyzer. Everything will be there. So I think we'll see that Monday class about remaining options on the left side and the body and the bottom level. What are the options will be there? Okay, so for Monday, so what we discussed last 5 classes from day 1 to till now, just I think coming Monday, we don't have any mock interview because we are the initial stage only. We just discuss what is Pega, what is BPM, what is BRE, and why you need Pega, and what is Pega PDN, and how they build Pega software, how we install the Pega software, how to open the Pega software, how to launch the Pega application. Then after that, what are the areas we have in the Pega platform for working of the all the roles. Then we came to Dev Studio. There we saw that in the header options. There are the points we discussed this week. Please look it on that. If you have any questions, we have the recording files. Please every day without skipping, please download it and store it in a system because I can delete after every 1 week also. Please don't keep it everything. It will be there permanently in this location. It will be all be there 1 week only. Remaining next week I can delete also. Please everyone without skipping, please download all the videos and keep it in our system. And please again once you can see the weekend when you have the free time. If you have any questions, please note it. We'll discuss in Monday class. Any question from anyone?
Madhav, just
Yes,
while
please.
after opening of the software itself, it's default Dev Studio for PE and EE, or
Admin Studio will come for use. No, when you use admin portal, it will come the default Dev Studio only. Now, as of now, will come Dev Studio only. If you use the admin portal, sorry, admin role. So you log in using of at the administrator at the pega.com and password install
okay,
this called administrator roles. When you log in this, it came by default Dev Studio, but other things will come different one. I'll tell you that. Still, we didn't create new application that I'll tell you that.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone from? Okay, guys. Okay, now happy weekend, and we'll meet you Monday, the same timing, same. Okay, same meeting, everything. Okay, now. Yeah. Bye.
Fine.